What's going on, guys? Junior here with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and today we're doing an unboxing. Now, this is Anthem Off-road. This is actually our in-house, like, true off-road wheel brand. We have Archon and we have Anthem. Anthem is like the actual go out, get muddy, and off-road your vehicle type of thing. These bad boys are the Anthem Avenger, and no, it's not like the Avengers Endgame or Infinity War. This is just a wheel, but still just as cool. So let's get into it here and unbox this and show you guys basically the newest wheel that Anthem Off-road has to offer. How am I gonna get this thing out of here? Oh my god. Alright, so this is the Anthem Avenger. It's available in like your 17s, your 18s, but also notably this is available in a 20x10 and a 20x12. Anthem being more of that off-road like brand, does a lot of the smaller sizes, narrower widths, so that you're able to like put these on and actually run them on the trails and take them off-road and do things with them. But they have a little bit more of showy setups as well. They're 10 wides and they're 12 wides. This bad boy that we have here is the 20x12 negative 44 offset. So looking at the design of the wheel, it does have a lip and it does have a little bit of concavity to the face of the wheel, and you're really going to see that in your 10 and especially in your 12 wides. As you get wider, you're going to see a little bit more concavity as the face kind of bends. Cap is fairly large, but it covers the whole face of the wheel, just kind of giving it a little bit of spoke and then just a big center cap. What that allows then is on your 5 and 6 legs, you can do like a dual drilled wheel, which makes the cost cheaper then because you can run them on your Fords and your Chevys because there's actually 2 bolt patterns back there. So that's why I have such a big center cap, is to kind of cover that up. But it's designed really well to flow with the wheel. If you look, it's got a bunch of what look like hex head bolts kind of like in the plastic center cap, chrome logo, and then it's just got little Allens that kind of hold the center cap on. As far as the wheel face design itself goes, as far as the spokes go, it's like a honeycomb pentagon mesh style. I'm just trying to think of how many words I can throw in there to describe it in one sentence as possible. It's a fairly complex like design or look, but it looks really good and really rugged, I would say. With all of the crossing and all of the like small little openings, it really makes the wheel feel like it's chunky, and there's a lot behind it. It's not like a really thin spoked wheel that looks like it could potentially break if you take it off-road. This thing looks like you take it off-road and beat it and use it and actually get somewhere with it. This is the gloss black and milled, so it's going to have gloss black with milled edges around it. It also comes in a full satin black as well, which in my opinion I like that one a little bit more because it looks even more like off-road, mean, rugged, murdered out truck with satin black wheels. I like it, but yeah, so this is the Anthem Avenger. Fairly straightforward as far as that goes. Should I talk about pricing? Looking at around like $750 for like your 17x8, so up to about $1,200 for your 20x12s, which that price range is pretty average. It's not anything crazy, but the one cool thing about this is is one of Anthem's first designs that we've actually had done in-house by John Chartier, our in-house like wheel designer. So that's a pretty neat feature as well. Obviously it's got the rivets on the outside. That's something that Anthem's kind of keeping. It's very like rugged off-road feeling versus like the smooth, clean rim of the lip that you see in a lot of the other companies is more of like a show truck style. It's got Anthem and then off-road engraved into the lip as well. But that's about it. I'm gonna do that again. So that's about it. Let us know your thoughts below. Let us know which size and finish you'd want to run. I already told you my personal preference, but comment below. We've got these on a couple of our vehicles that we'll show as well. Obviously, we've got them on a Jeep, we've got them on a Tundra, and it's a good looking wheel. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more. Peace.